have a bunch of random brushes. Random ass brushes. Some that are not even branded. Some that are, but YOLO. We're gonna make it work. Okay, so where do I start with? Oh yeah, so I already did this eye and it was a fail. I didn't like it, so I'm gonna redo it. Oh, los viejos. I'm starting off with this color. Oh, this is Tarteus Pro. I think that's this one. It looks like this. I'm grabbing this middle purple and then I'm just like setting it on there. I can't be doing rainbow eyes because these lawyers and judges are gonna be like, you going to a strip club or you coming to work? You know what I mean? So because of that, I'm just like, I gotta keep it the most natural but still cute. So that's the entire purple. I'm just gonna drag it like inwards towards my nose as well, like that. Like that. And then pulling it up. And then I'm grabbing this Revlon brush. It's like this. It's just for the puffiness, just to blend this out. Like that. I'm gonna go back with that purple again. That same purple that I picked up. Just picking it up again and again with the Revlon brush. The technique is a lot of blending. Like, you think you're done blending, think again, because you're not. Pick up this brush. It's just called my brush set. Basically 3 colors. Drama, because we hella dramatic, Vamp, and Smoked. And all these 3 colors go on the outer part right here. Whoa, why is it not picking up anything? The first thing is like kind of just set your colors. Don't worry about blending, just worry about setting them. This is Morphe M506, and then I'm going to start blending those darker colors. Yo soy fea, pero cuando me arreglo, ay papás. Is that how it goes? Soy una fea arreglada. Okay, now I'm gonna pick up this concealer from LA Girl in the shade Natural, and then just start like cutting a crease, starting from like the inwards, because we took this color so far out. We want to start cutting it from like way out here. And I'm going like a little bit more above my crease. Like my crease is down here, but I'm going above it. I'm gonna pick up the Morphe 35F. I'm gonna pick up this shade right here. It's like in the middle row. I'm picking that up with my finger and then just putting it back on and focus on the outer part right here. I'm going to pick up Fierce from the palette, Tarte palette, and then just go like blend it upwards like this. For lashes, I'm going to use 3D Mink Lily lashes in Miami. I'm going to wet this little rainbow brush. Like I said, not all these brushes are branded brushes, but they do the job. I'm just picking up that purple again, to make it more, like, more stand out. Like that. That does look a lot better. Okay, so moving on to lashes. So I'm grabbing this shade right here, the color we first started with. I'm just placing that down here. I always rock this lip combo 365 days out of the year. Okay. Stockholm in NYX. The Hard Candy Primer Mist. I don't want dewy eyes. And my forehead. Passport. Pouncing that on my face to set everything. And right here. Okay, so this is a completed look. I hope my lashes are not falling off because this top though, I'm really liking it. But yeah, that's really much everything. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Thank you so much for watching.